Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib alayhi salam, in describing the generosity of the Prophet, he says, كَانَ أَجْوَدَ النَّاسِ كَفًّا. He had the most generous hand. This is an Arabic literary expression. That means he was very generous in giving, because you usually give with which body part? With your hands. And then he would say that the Prophet ﷺ had, the biggest chest, meaning he had a lot of patience with his people. In Arabic they say that. Some people, their chest is tight. He doesn't have patience. Some people know. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given them patience. وَأَصْدَقُ النَّاسِ لَهْجَةً. And he was the most truthful person. وَأَوْفَاهُمْ ذِمَّةً. He was the most loyal of them. وَأَلْيَنَهُمْ عَرِيكَةً. He was very flexible. Some people, they're rigid. The Prophet was flexible. وَأَكْرَمَهُمْ عِشْرَةً. You would live with the Prophet, he was always honorable. مَنْ رَآهُ بَدِيهَةً هَابَ. The one who would see him, automatically, inadvertently, you wouldn't fear him. However, his majesty and glory would captivate you. You would respect him. وَمَنْ خَالَطَهُ مَعْرِفَةً أَحَبَّ. And if you get to know him, you sincerely love him. لَمْ أَرَ قَبْلَهُ وَلَا بَعْدَهُ مِثْلَهُ. Imam Ali is saying this. I've never seen anyone like him, before him or after him.